What's going to happen to home prices? Are they even going to come down? Are we going to see another real estate market crash? These are some of the questions that I'm getting from most homeowners every single day, and also consumers, not knowing exactly where prices are headed, not knowing exactly what's going to happen to homes. Are there going to be more homes on the market? What about interest rates if you need financing for your home? We are going to cover all of this today. I'm Silva, real estate broker and investor, and today we are going to discuss the state of the real estate market and also put things in perspective so that you know what it means to you. Inventory. Okay, here is what's happening right now to our inventory. Let's take a look at the months of inventory that we're seeing on a national level, and then we'll talk about more of LA County, Orange County, and even Southern California. The blue section is how many months of inventory we have, and the red is the shortage, how much we still need to meet actual normal numbers. Now, normal numbers are anywhere about 6 months of inventory. We also know that 6 to 7 months of inventory is a neutral market. We have been seeing that we've been below 6 months of inventory for a long time. Now, this is across the country. Now, would it be crazy to believe that our shortage of inventory is an acute problem now, but it's not a now problem? This has been happening for a long time. Now, what does that mean? Less turnover. Now, more people staying in their home for a longer period of time, and a combination of not enough homes being built fast enough is what's really causing the shortage. Take a look. As you guys can see, for the last 52 years, we've had an average number of homes being built. In the last 14 years, we have not reached that average number, and we're barely starting to get to it. So that, in combination with people staying in their home for a longer period of time, is definitely some of the reasons why there is a shortage of inventory right now. The good news is we've been seeing more listings come on the market in the last few weeks, so it'll be really interesting to see what happens for the rest of 2023. Okay, let's move on to lending and interest rates. If interest rates are an important factor when you're making your decisions for your next move, then let's take a look at what has been happening with interest rates and also where they may be headed to. Because we don't have a crystal ball and we don't know what's exactly going to be happening to interest rates, whether they're going to increase or decrease, let's take a look at this chart. As you guys can see, when inflation actually has occurred, interest rates have also spiked up. Now, when inflation starts coming down, you do see that it takes a little bit longer for interest rates to also come down. It lags a bit, but the chart shows that it kind of follows whatever happens to inflation. Now, if you take a look at what's happening to inflation now, we just went down, and now economists are saying, okay, so what's happening? Interest rates haven't gone down just yet, but because of history, we can kind of predict that they may come down also. If you ask me, I don't truly believe we're gonna ever see 3% interest rate, 2% interest rate, but we may see 4% or 5% interest rate coming very soon. So what does very soon mean? Well, not even economists can pinpoint as to exactly when interest rates will come down. So based on my experience, I would say within the next 12 months. Now, prices. I have left the best for last. This is the question I keep getting every single day. Gia, so when are prices coming down? Well, let's put it into perspective and see what has been happening, not just on a national level, but on a micro level. Let's just take our city of Long Beach. In our city of Long Beach, we continue to see appreciation, increase in values, increase in prices from just 12 months ago, and also every single month throughout the year. Now, last year, we ended the month of August 2022 with about a 5% interest rate. And just last month, August 2023, we ended it with a 7% interest rate. I say that because a lot of consumers believe that once interest rates started spiking up, it would make prices come down. And that theory hasn't really played out. Prices continue to increase. And here is the prediction that most of these major real estate voices have for the next few years of prices. As you guys can see, they are not predicting that prices are going to come down. What they're predicting is that we are going to see a deceleration in prices, in increase. So we are going to continue to see appreciation, but in a very normal, healthy level. Okay, so let's recap. We went through inventory levels, lending and interest rates, and what's going to happen to home prices. We know that on inventory levels, hopefully, We are seeing that we have more active listings just in Southern California as well. And every week we are continuing to see more properties come on the market. So that's good news. In regards to interest rates, although we don't know exactly where they are going, we can predict by studying history what may happen. So again, we may see them come down in about the next 12 months, my prediction. And in regards to home prices, we are continuing to see appreciation, but we may see a slowdown in appreciation in just the next year. Now, what does that mean to you? If you've been thinking about selling a home, buying a home, or just looking to plan ahead for the years to come, then I hope this video brought you more clarity to making smart decisions. Whether you've been thinking of making moves this year, next year, or any year to come, I would love to help you plan strategically and help you navigate through the whole entire process of selling, buying, and investing in real estate. If you like this video, make sure you comment, like, and share. See you next time.